Alright, so it looks like we got another update. Here you can see version 2023.44.30.2. Let's go ahead and start that now, and we'll tell it to hurry up by tapping the time, and there we go. So I'm going to let the car sit here, and I'll be back later when it's done. So I'll see you guys in the morning because I don't want to stay out here. It's night already. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Alright, so as you can see, it looks like software update is completed. Okay, so they added this enable single pull autopilot, and that makes it so instead of having the cruise control, you just pull it once and it starts the beta right away. Alright, so yeah, you pull it down once and you can cancel it and return to manual driving. You must push the right stalk once or take over the steering wheel. So yes, we'll look at the other features in a bit. Alright, it looks like it's downloading new navigation data as well. You can see we're on software version 11.1, 2023.44.30.2. Full self-driving 11.4.9. I pushed the thing already, but it had like some new stuff when I pushed here. You have Apple Podcasts, Arcade, and I'll show you guys the rest in a bit, but there's also new toy box stuff. Alright, so the update finished for the navigations, and now you can see it's 2023.44.14828, and a bunch of letters and numbers. Okay, up to date as of December 20th, 8:09 a.m. Alright, so it was showing in here, like, you see how it has this blue dot? It was having that down here. I don't listen to Apple Podcasts, but you can see here it says to go to there to log into your Apple account. I don't have one. Okay. Here in the arcade, they added this. I haven't seen this before. You need a controller. Castle Doombard, or Doombad. Alright. So there's a new game. Beach Buggy Racing. I think someone said they added the Cybertruck to it. I don't know if there's any other new games or stuff. They might have updated some stuff, but I'm not sure. Theater looks the same. Toy box looks the same. Did they add a new light show? It doesn't say. Let's see. Oh, maybe they did. Carol of the Bells. I don't know if the Arrival is new. I don't remember seeing that before, but okay. Not gonna go through all the other features and stuff there. What else? So we went through the toy box, arcade, and that. Okay, so what else? Oh, I was having issues with the auto, like, windshield wipers. I believe they fixed it now, so I put it on auto. I don't know if it works while we're not moving. I think I have to be in drive, so let me put it into drive and see. Oh yeah, so now we're in drive and the windshield wipers went by itself. Okay, and now it's going crazy. It doesn't need to go that fast, but yeah. So I don't know, usually I just manually control the windshield wipers because I don't want it to wipe all that extra times. Alright, what else? We can go to software here, and we can go to release notes, and we can take a look. So they had this release contains minor fixes, so there's 2023.44.30.2, and then this is .30. So there's the full self-driving beta thing. So yeah. Alright, so I think that's the same information as before. FSD beta 11.4.9. So now you can do it with a single stalk depression. You don't have to press it twice. Okay, so that way you can quickly enable it. New efficient video module, vehicle detection, semantics. Alright. Velocity attributes networks allow increased performance, lower latency, achieved by creating multi-layered. Well, you can read all of this, right? Improved distance crossing object detection by an additional 6%. Okay, so it's better at detecting vehicles and stuff. Okay, improve the precision of cut-in vehicle detection, so it can now know when it's gonna cut in, or if another vehicle is going to cut in, I guess. 15%. Reduce vehicle velocity error by 3%. Reduce vehicle acceleration error by 10%. Okay. Reduce latency of vehicle semantics by 15%. New video module. Reduce error of pedestrian and bicycle rotation by over 8%. Okay. Improved geometric accuracy of vision park assist predictions by 16%. Right. 10 times more hardware 4 data, tripling resolution, increasing overall stability. Improved path blockage lane change accuracy by 10%. Okay, so if there's stuff in the road, it's a little bit better at knowing something is there. Oh. Automatic emergency braking. Oh, God. Oops. Driving visualizations. Give me a sec. Okay, that's not new. I already knew you could slide it over to the right to see all the, like a full screen thing. Cabin camera, that's probably the same stuff. Gives you audible alerts to remind you. That's normal. Apple Podcasts. I also heard that now it's more sensitive and it's going to keep detecting. And also, if you don't have full self-driving beta and you just have autopilot, it's also going to like get mad at you. All right. Castle Doom bad game. Here you go. You're the villain. Up to you to destroy the goody two-shoed heroes invading your castle. Defend your evil lair. Okay. Tesla arcade update. So here you go. Beach buggy. So now they have new vehicles and stuff. Okay. And then you can also have your vehicle match your car if you change the color. Okay. Polytopia diplomacy updated. Vampire Survivors Chilling updated. And then PS4, PS5, and Xbox controllers you can use. Added rumble effects. And yeah. What else? Custom lock sounds. Oh, now when your car locks, you can make it play different sounds. Okay. You can make like all the screaming goat and other stuff. And you can also use a USB flash drive to put your own sound. You need to change it to, or name it lockchime.wave, so it has to be a WAV file. And it needs to be less than 1 megabyte. Alright, automatic 911 calls. So if you get in an accident and the airbags come out, it's going to call 911 for you. There will be a countdown timer, so you have time to cancel it if you want. Alright. It works only when your phone is connected to Bluetooth. Then speed camera. So now it will tell you if there's a speed camera en route. So you'll know that you should be more careful with speeding and stopping. Okay. But you do need premium connectivity for that to work. Trip planner on the mobile app. So now they let you plan your trip. You can set up all the different stops and everything, it seems like. Add multiple stops or make changes. Simply edit trip. That's very nice, because before I had to always go to the car to check the charging costs and everything, and then schedule all of that before going. Now I can do it on the app. That'll be nice. But you need app 4.27.5 or newer. Alternative routes. Now you can see alternative routes in the driving navigation. And you can switch even after you started driving, which is nice. Okay. More cameras in live view camera mode. Oops. So when you view your vehicle surroundings from the Tesla app, now you'll have access to the left and right pillar cameras on your vehicle touchscreen. Go to control safety view camera, then you can view. Alright. You need the newer app as well. Automatic blind spot camera. So the blind spot camera view now alerts you with red. So if there's cars next to you, it will have some red there. Alright. That's nice. The light show. Oh, I was right. They added this Arrival by Irving Victoria. Okay. I'm sure other people recorded that, so you can probably watch on theirs, because I have a feeling playing that will give like copyright issue. Okay, so you can play it right away, or yeah. You can play multiple custom light shows. Alright, autopilot suspension, here you go. So you'll be suspended if it detects you're using it wrong. Okay. And keep your hands on the wheel, remain attentive at all times. Use of any handheld devices while using autopilot is not allowed. And yeah, so you'll lose the autopilot capability for about a week if you get too many suspensions. I think it's 5. Does it say here? I don't know. And then cabin camera stuff. So now they can share the cabin camera data from your vehicle. Obviously, you have to allow it. Okay. So just prior to the collision, they'll show some stuff. Okay, cabin cameras, images and video clips will not be associated with your VIN, so they won't know it's your car unless they know who you are, like by visual. Over the air recall, so there was a recall thing, so now it's going to monitor you even more and warn you more. It increased the text size to tell you that that you need to pay attention. So now you can do the single press to activate it. It's more strict now. That's not good. Oh, it's when you're using it and you're approaching traffic lights and stop signs. Okay, that's good. Suspension policy. So now they will restrict auto steer for a week if improper usage is detected. Okay. And it says you are the driver, and yeah, basically you have to pay attention. More minor updates. So shuffle your title playlists, albums, Apple Music, Spotify. Okay, I don't use any of that. Control search on the touchscreen. Now you can have links to the owner's manual. Huh, that's cool. So now you can see like easily how to do stuff if you're not sure. And then you can now filter between 2 charging speeds. 3 lightning bolts show locations with more than 70 kilowatts. 1 lightning bolt shows locations with 70 or less. And this is the older stuff. So, oh, actually, I didn't have this before either. So that's the single pull thing they're talking about. You can read that if you want. Alright, destination charger availability. Okay, now destination charging sites that charge for use will show how many are available. And that's pretty much it. Oop, I left the car in drive, so it put itself into park. But that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it will help you see what Tesla is doing to update their systems. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next one. Bye. Oh yeah, and here's the Sentry mode camera stuff. So here you can see now we have these front cameras as well. So you have the actual front camera. Then you have these pillar ones that show in the front as well. So you can see kind of all around. And then you can see the sides, the side rears, and the back. Alright, so that's pretty cool. And you can also see inside. Alright, that's it. See you guys later.